What's up,
Do you
Jeff?
think you're an urge man?
So, Jeff.
I had my wizard read his energy.
Yeah,
A wizard.
All right, so this house is 4-bedroom, 2 bathrooms, 1,690 square feet.
Outside, it looks nice.
When I was driving in, the houses definitely look a bit dated.
There is not one closed comp in the area that's remodeled.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no, the money!
It's a feng shui nightmare. All the money is going out the front door.
This is a real thing, Jeff.
So you're telling me you're on feng shui?
No, not
thing,
me.
And you're on wizards.
No, feng shui is real. Wizards are fake. Look how nice this could be. Focal point, right when you walk in the door.
That is nice.
This is the smallest kitchen ever for this size house. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. There is potential here because you just wrap the kitchen around all of this into here.
Jeff, how much do you think that would cost?
And you're talking about making a pretty big kitchen. I think you guys are gonna run around 12 grand.
Okay. So the yard's not deep, but it's wide. New grass, clean up the landscaping.
One thing I don't see, you don't have any air conditioning.
Shoot.
It is what it is. Huh. So this is a pretty big bedroom. Is this the main bedroom?
I hope not, because it's a shared bathroom.
What are we looking at in here?
If you kept it this way, a little over 8.
Okay. Okay, so that's the only bathroom downstairs.
There has to be some kind of other bedroom upstairs that's got an ensuite bath.
Well, we're about to find out. So every room so far has an AC unit sticking out of the wall.
Uh-oh.
So this is your primary.
No.
No, this is a shared bathroom.
Yeah.
So downstairs is shared, upstairs is shared. It's only a 2-bathroom house. This is
Oh.
huge bathroom, though. How much do you think it would cost?
If you don't change the layout, it'll be about another 8 grand in here.
This is a tiny bedroom, but okay.
Whoa, look at that dungeon, dude.
What is that?
I don't know what this is.
Oh my God, it's creepy. This is weird.
This is funky.
Well, I don't know.
This room feels like a jail cell. The biggest problem with this house is the floor plan.
100%. There's no ensuite, and the staircase is an issue.
As it sits, to take an old, ugly house and just remodel it, 120 grand. That does not include moving doors or staircases.
Okay, so remodeling the house, existing floor plan, 120.
120.
If we start moving things around, adding bathrooms, it's gonna go way up.
Yep.
So we paid $700,000 for the house, put 120 into it. That puts us at 820. We're gonna have 40,000 closing cost commissions in staging. That puts us at 860, which means if we pay 700 for the house and nothing goes wrong, our break even is 860. We're hoping to sell it for like 9 to 920. Yeah, that's better.
Right?
Well, how about this over here? Woo! It looks like it's carrying some load.
Yeah.
So what do you think we're looking at?
Moving the staircase, I would say probably around 16,000.
Expensive feng shui.
Moving the staircase, 16,000.
I say no. I say we don't spend the 16. Maybe we can spend a little more on design.
I agree. I feel like it's a lot of money to spend on that.
So leave the staircase as is.
Yeah.
Leave this wall as is.
Yep.
We're gonna finish breaking out all this.
Yeah, but I want to open all this
Remove
up.
this and this.
So then this will be all level. So to walk into the kitchen, you'll be able to walk in right this way.
Okay, for what you guys are talking about right now, you guys are looking at about 600 bucks.
Not bad. All right.
Good
All right.
deal.
Thank you.
All
When
see you
demo's
guys
done,
later.
Jeffrey.
See ya.
See you, buddy.
Tarek,
Hey, I'm in the bathroom. Where you at?
I'm in the bathroom.
Oh. Well, we have this one supersized bathroom, and I've been standing here trying to figure out how to make 2 bathrooms. This can be the new primary bedroom, and we can make this a private bathroom.
Is that a little bit risky?
Yes, but isn't it riskier not to have a private main bathroom?
Yes.
Here's what I was thinking. It would be double vanity, toilet, full-size stand-up shower. And then on this side, we can do tub shower
All
here,
right.
toilet there.
Okay, that makes sense.
I think to do the entire bathroom, it's about 6 grand.
Right, and we'll get way more return.
Yeah.
Way more.
And then I do have an idea for the little room in the hall.
Okay.
I would like to make this a laundry room.
It's kind of big for a laundry room, but I feel like that's definitely the best option.
Okay, and then I did talk to Jeff about this. So to turn this area into a laundry room, it's $3 grand.
Okay.
And then also we got to talk about the downstairs bathroom. So again, you know, it's our only bathroom down here.
Guests are gonna be using this as well. It'd be nice to have the toilet area enclosed with a door. That way people could still use it, and then you'd have like a separate vanity area.
Okay, I think we can do that. This would be the vanities.
Okay.
And then where the door is, all the way to this wall,
Shower.
Full-size shower.
Nice.
And then back here, we can do a private toilet area.
Okay, so enclosed toilet with a door.
Okay, so we're already spending thousands in here anyways to remodel everything. So to do all that additional work, I'm guessing it's like $3 grand.
I think worth it.
Worth it? Okay, so 3,000 downstairs bathroom, 3,000 upstairs laundry room, 6,000 primary bathroom.
$12,000 for a pretty big layout change.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
All right, we're on the same page.
Always.
Only took 10 seasons. All right, it's starting to look different.
Looks better.
Oh, please tell me that's not the outline for the island.
It's gonna be really small, and then there's no cabinets on this side. You know what's gonna be weird is like you're just staring into a wall. So you just have this like blank wall with no cabinets. What if we ran a longer peninsula this way? That way at least there's bar seating for like 4 people as opposed to probably this like bar seating for 2.
On this wall right here, what if we just did lowers, and then we did a backsplash, and then we just did big shelves?
I love the idea of floating shelves. That look really nice.
Okay.
Okay, so the design's more contemporary. So these cabinets, light gray. It is sort of dark in here, so I don't want to do anything too dark.
Okay, I like those.
And then these backsplash options.
So do you like this one, or... No, I really like this one.
I love that one too. So this really light flooring, I think looks really nice in this house. And then a white countertop.
Okay, I like it.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna let Jeff know about the layout change and I'll get that ordered?
Okay, cool.
All right.
Well, we have laundry. This is a nice laundry room, actually.
Really nice. Look, now we have 2 bathrooms.
You know what? It works.
Yeah, much better. And most importantly, we have an ensuite.
Oh, this came out great.
It did.
Watch, stand in there. See how big it is.
You just stand in there and see how big it is. Is that like a fresh hot mop that you're trying to get me to walk in?
Do you see the 3 inches of water?
Yeah, I'm not falling for your tricks. Nice try. You're a jerk.
But the bathroom looks good, right?
It does. It looks very good. So this look kind of goes like that,
Ooh, I like that.
or we carry in the look of the kitchen and go with that look.
What do you like better?
Because both bathrooms are a little bit small, I would go with the white cabinets. Shower walls with the flooring, and then we have the petting rows.
All right.
What are you doing?
Come here. When I was walking up, I noticed that it looks like we don't have a roof on the back of the house. Do you see it?
No,
What do you mean? No, it's right there. Look.
I'm not that tall.
Like, do you see the tile coming down the front?
Oh,
Do you see the back part that's going back?
uh-oh.
There's no tile.
That's not good.
Is it shingle maybe on the backside and tile on the front?
I have no idea. You're gonna like scale the hill? You can hop right here.
Oh, it's gonna fall.
Oh God, don't fall. Careful. You're like a cat.
Oh, we have no roof.
Is Jeff inside? Jeff?
What's up?
Do we have a roof on the back of the house or not?
That's a flat roof. You don't put tile in there. There's not enough pitch for it.
So why is the tile sitting on the roof?
Probably just spare tile that they had up there.
Okay, so the roof's good.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's good.
Well, good luck getting down.
I didn't think about that one.
Hey guys.
Hey, what's going on? It's coming together.
I'm really glad that we did the peninsula. It looks so much better than a tiny island.
How do you feel about that?
It was a better decision than not having it at all, because then
Okay.
it's just wasted dead space. So
Sure.
at least it's extra storage. And I think we can make it really cute with a couple floating shelves, some backsplash, you know, like a little bar, like a coffee station area.
Okay, so the backsplash on this wall would not have been included in the original bid. So let's call it like 1,200 bucks.
Plus the floating shelves.
How much for 2 lights and 2 outlets?
300 for the lights and 150 for the outlet.
Plus, okay, so almost $2,000 for everything.
Right.
All right.
Let's talk about the fireplace. So we can either build the fireplace out, carry this tile, I'd probably say this way, horizontal all the way up.
Oh, so more modern.
Add a statement. The thing is, between building it out and the tile and doing a new hearth and quartz, we're looking at $3,000. Or we just paint the brick.
$3,000, huh? All right, let's do it.
Okay, I'm glad you said yes, but there's more. We also need to talk about the stair railing, which obviously we need a railing.
What happened to the old one?
So, don't you remember? It's totally falling apart. We need a new one.
Okay.
$3,000.
It's an expensive day. Yeah, I mean, we better get a good price for this house.
You guys see how steep the hill is? This was something that the inspector was concerned about, the land essentially sliding down.
Yeah.
So he wants us to come and put ground cover throughout the entire hill.
Oh, geez.
If you guys want to do the entire slope, we've got to irrigate the entire slope, $4,000. If you guys want to do half of it, $2,000.
You can't leave that and do the other half. It's gonna look weird.
Are you sure we can't just do half?
Oh, look at it. It looks like a tumbleweed.
It's growing on me. Spend some time over
stop.
here. It's covering the ground. It's falling apart.
Yeah, look at that.
All right, $4,000. So what are we doing about the front of this place?
The bricks, they look bad.
We can just stucco right over it. It'll look like the rest of the house.
So I say get rid of all the brick.
Yeah,
With
all the
stucco.
The whole way around.
Everywhere.
Doing all the brick and stucco, you're looking about $4,000.
It's more than I thought.
It's a lot of brick. Doing all the brick and stucco, you're looking about $4,000.
It's more than I thought.
It's a lot of brick.
I mean, we could paint it. We painted a bunch of houses before. My only concern is that this brick sucks. Like, it's crooked, it's falling apart.
I don't think we can leave it. I think we need to spend the money.
All right, Jeff, let's stucco the brick.
Stucco it.
What do you want to do about that floral thing right there?
Let's
We
just
could wrap it.
let's just wrap it.
$400, call it a day.
All right, dude.
See you guys.
House looks cute.
It actually made it a long way from the first time we came here.
The living room looks so nice.
Look at that fireplace. Look at this, a little feng shui bell.
Okay, so remember how we were worried that when we bought it, the cash was gonna flow out the front door?
Right out the door.
So the rug helps slow down the flow, and the bells help with balance.
Whatever works. You remember before you'd walk it down a platform right here, and then there was a wall right here?
Yeah, we modernized the house a lot.
Oh, it looks good. Look at that.
Huge difference.
No, I'm digging this house. I really like it. I like the pops of the natural wood with the gray and the white. And look at our hill. It was an overgrown jungle back here.
Well, it was a hazard, right? We had to do it.
It looks a lot better than it did.
I like the slider and how light and bright it is in here. It's the perfect, like, guest bedroom or mother-in-law suite. And it's a big bathroom. It's nice because you can shut the door and close it off.
This used to be just one big bathroom.
Right, so it was one big bathroom for 3 bedrooms. This was a much better idea to create the 2 smaller bathrooms. Perfect for a kid's bathroom. huge laundry room.
This was just dead space before.
Yeah, really nice feature.
Oh, look at it. They staged it as like a little boy's room.
Oh, it's adorable. Oh,
How cute is this?
this is a nice room. Primary bedroom.
It's a good-sized bedroom. You got a private bathroom. The best thing we did here was creating 2 bathrooms out of 1.
This is a really nice size shower.
It's very, very pretty.
I think the house looks great.
It's the best on the block.
Definitely. So,
I ran the comps, and the only good comp I found just sold 972,000. Not as nice, but a little bit bigger.
$1 million.
$1 million.
What do we put into this house? Run the numbers again.
Okay, we paid $650,000 for the house. With the remodel and staging was $158,000 plus closing costs and commissions. So our break even is $848,000.
We're gonna do pretty good
We're
here.
gonna do pretty good here. I think we come in at $999.
We'll definitely get multiple offers at $999.
I think we're gonna go above asking.
All right.
Surprisingly, after 2 weeks on the market, we only received 1 offer at $975,000. Even though it's under our list price, we went for it because we still make a profit of $127,000.